Hello friends, my name is Sagar Kapadia. I am from Krinet Design. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will explain Hick's law for user experience and user interface design. It will very useful while we designing any web application, website or mobile application. So we need to take care of a Hick's law. So what is the Hick's law? Hick's law means more option provided to the user means they take a longer time to take a decision. So first of all, introduction. If you providing a more option to the user, so user will confuse. If we give a lesser option that are most important for user, it will very useful for the users. So user can take a decision quickly. Next one, why we use X law? Because it provide a better decision for the users, and second is it reduce the users timing and confusion. What are the real-time examples of the X law? So first of all is a shopping mall application. When you visit any shopping, there are the limited number of options present to the buyer. So buyer will not confuse. Think about one scenario where shopping mall owner give a large variety to the buyer. So buyer will confuse which one I will buy or not. So according to Hick's law, we should put limited number of options to the buyer so buyer can take a decision quickly. Next example is a TV remote. Old TV remote have a many options, but now current TV remote have a less option. So it will give a better decision, means quick decision for the users. It will reduce the cognitive load for the users. Next one is a child's toy store. When we present many toys to the children will confuse which toys I can play. So it will give a confusion to the children. Next, I will give you some practical example how we will use Hick's law in designing any application. So I'm sharing my screen. So when you visit Amazon website, you see the limited number of options at the top header. You can see it and remember in your mind. There are many options. They included it in this one. You can see there are the less number of category provided by Amazon. This type of. If Amazon give a 100 categories for the product, so user will confuse. Next one, we should provide very limited number of pricings for the users. Here there are the 4 pricings for the user. Think about one scenario where we present many type of pricings, just like that. Here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 type of pricing. So user will confuse about the which one I will select. Same as another example of designing a tab bar. We should provide some limited number of tab to the user. So user will not confuse. Here there are the only 2 tabs, monthly and annually. Think about one scenario where we give many options to the users, just like the monthly, weekly, bi-weekly, quarterly, daily and annually. User will confuse which one I select. Next one, how we can use Hick's law in real-time application. First of all, think about what are the possible importance menu or data for the users and bifurcate to the data and arrange all the data in a limited option. Means we should give a user to the limited option so user will not confuse, and we should remove some irrelevant information. So guys, subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like and share my video. Thank you.